As of December 2025, Google Calendar continues to be a core tool in Google Workspace. This video explains how to remove a guest from an event, ensuring everyone stays informed. Removing guests is essential for managing attendance, preventing confusion, and maintaining data privacy. The process leverages Google Calendar's shared event model, giving event creators or editors permission to modify the guest list. First, open Google Calendar through your web browser at calendar.google.com or using the mobile app. Alternatively, you can access Google Calendar through the mobile app on your smartphone. Once in Google Calendar, locate the event from which you want to remove a guest. As the organizer, click on the event to open its details. Then select Edit Event from the options. If you don't see the Edit Event option, you likely do not have the necessary permissions as the organizer. In the Guests section, you'll see a list of all invited attendees. This is where you can manage who is participating in your event. Hover over the name or email address of the guest you want to remove. As you hover, the interface provides visual feedback to indicate the selectable guest. Click the X icon that appears next to their name. This initiates the removal process for that specific guest. Confirm the removal if prompted by the system. Some interfaces may ask for confirmation to prevent accidental removals. This action immediately prepares the system to update the event details, removing the guest from the invitation list. After removing the guest from the event, take a moment to review the event details. You can make additional adjustments at this point, such as changing the time, location, or description to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied with all the changes, click the Save button to confirm and apply them. This updates the event for all participants. Google Calendar automatically handles notifications. As soon as you save, the system sends updates to both the removed guest and the remaining attendees. These notifications appear instantly or within minutes via email and app alerts. The removed guest receives a message stating they've been taken off, while others get a summary of the changes. No manual notification step is required. Notifications are typically sent within minutes via email from calendar notification at google.com and through app alerts. The removed guest receives a specific message indicating they've been removed from the event. Other attendees receive an update summarizing the changes. You can customize notification settings for events and all-day events in the configuration panel. Google has improved privacy controls, such as opt-in guest tracking, to comply with EU GDPR and similar regulations. While the process is generally smooth, occasional notification delays can occur, especially during high-traffic periods. If a removed guest claims they weren't notified, double-check the event details to ensure the removal was processed correctly. Google has patched minor bugs related to cross-device syncing in Q3 2025, improving reliability. Looking ahead to future trends in guest management, expect further automation powered by artificial intelligence. These AI enhancements are predicted to boost efficiency by 30% by the year 2027. Future updates may incorporate blockchain-inspired verification systems to ensure proper guest consent and enhance privacy controls. Smart removal features will automatically resolve scheduling conflicts like double bookings within virtual collaboration tools. Overall, these advancements aim to create a more resilient and user-centric calendar experience that adapts to modern collaboration needs.